Now there's another style of nappy I want to run through, which is the all-in-two style of nappy. It's nearly an all-in-one, but it's not, because it's all in two pieces. So just to confuse you, it's called an all-in-two. But all-in-twos are quite unique again from the other styles that I've shown you. So an all-in-two is where we have our waterproof part, which is our keeping all the weaves and things in, and then we have our absorbent part, and they are like it's all, you can see it's all together at the present time. So it's like using an all-in-one, but it's all in two pieces, because what I can do with this one is I can actually snap out the inserts. So great for fast drying by popping the inserts out, but also I've got that option of having more inserts and less covers. So if just the insert is wet, I could just reuse the cover and pop a new insert in there. So the all-in-twos are pretty fantastic actually. They're a great style sort of in between. It's a bit of a hybrid. It's not quite a pocket nappy, not quite an all-in-one, but they're actually quite a simple, nice system to pop on a baby. So I'll just show you by putting them on my baby here. I'll just pop the insert back in. So that's all nicely secure. So we get our baby and we're going to pop this one on our baby. So our inserts are already in there, and we're just going to bring the nappy up and do our Velcro up. Now the thing with our all-in-two nappies, see even I'm getting confused, is the all-in-two nappies, again, generally just have one leak guard on the waterproof, but a lot of them with the inside have a bit of elastic on the second piece that's in there, the absorbent part. So you are getting essentially two leak guards around there. They shouldn't be fitting too tightly, so they've all got quite good elastic on all cloth nappies, so they shouldn't be fitting really tightly, and then you've just got your Velcro or your dome front. So to take the nappy off, you're going to take this part off, open it up, and as I said in previous videos, if there's a wee Velcro fastener, which this one has a wee hidey hole, you just fasten the Velcro up as you take it off so that it doesn't catch on anything. So I'm just going to pop them out, fasten that up there, and then we take the nappy off, and we've got a bit of a choice. If this is just wet with weaves, like I said before, we can take this out and put a new one in and reuse the waterproof cover. If there's poos in here and it's gone everywhere, then you need to wash the entire nappy. With the all-in-twos though, one of the things that is different from a pocket nappy was with a pocket nappy you have to take the insert out. With the all-in-two, because it's not contained, you can wash that just as it is, leave it attached when you put it through the washing machine, so it can go through as one piece. You might find it might have a dome that pops at some point in the wash, but you can just pop it back up when you bring it out. So you can wash it as a one piece basically, and then just hang it on the line as normal. So very, very simple system, really fast drying because the waterproof and the absorbency aren't sewn together, so they are still separate. But there are a couple of different types of all-in-twos. So this one here you can see has the elastic on the insert and the elastic on the thigh, whereas this one here, and this is where it gets a little bit confusing for some people, this is what I call a hybrid nappy. So this is actually like a pocket nappy. Well, it is a pocket nappy. So we've got our pocket at the back for us to put our insert inside and use inside, which then means we wash the entire nappy. Or you do have another option, there's a couple of domes here, where you can get, the insert has some domes, and we can pop the insert onto here and use it like an all-in-two. So basically we do our little fabric thingy up here, pull it up nicely into the middle of the nappy, and then that is essentially an all-in-two as well. So it's, a lot of the people refer to them now as hybrids because it's not a pocket, it's not an all-in-one, it's not an all-in-two, it's two different nappies in one, which just gets crazy. But with that there, I can then just pop this on my baby, do it up, and then if I want to, when I go to change it, again, if there's just weaves on this part, I can just rip this booster out, the absorbent part out, and just put a new one in and reuse this like a cover. So obviously They're not quite all-in-ones because they're all-in-twos, but they're fast drying. They're convenient to use, especially out and about, and super simple. So I'll see you in the next video. Next video I'll be covering all-in-ones. We're nearly at the end, people. It's been a bit of a mission, but hopefully I haven't confused you too much. So I'll see you on the next one. We'll be talking the last style of cloth nappies. See you soon.